Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the like posts on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on three lines on the bottom right corner of your screen to head over to the menu, and then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings once again. Now it will take you to this page where you will have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log in your activity section, and you'll have to tap on activity log, and then you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity and it will pop up, and you'll have to tap on manage comments and reactions. And right on this page you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner, and then tap on categories, and then tap on liked. And right on this page you'll be able to find all the liked posts, and right, you can see all the posts are available here that I liked. So that's how you can easily find all the liked posts on Facebook. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,